Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing with you guys today another what I eat in a day, showing you guys some easy, healthy, delicious meals and healthy, delicious recipes. Healthy recipes overall, really. I eat gluten-free, mainly grain-free, dairy-free, but everything I eat is delicious. I do practice intermittent fasting, so it is 9:15 now. I stopped eating at 7 last night. It's about a 14-hour fast right now. We're gonna go ahead and make breakfast. I have been obsessed with cloud bread. If you guys saw on Instagram, if you are following me, if not, you should. It's Keep Up With Liv. I posted this cloud bread pizza. I've also made like cloud bread for breakfast like I'm going to do today. But today we are going to make a chocolate cloud bread. I thought this was a genius idea. We're gonna do it. I'm thinking it's gonna turn out because it's like, why would it not? We're gonna like bake it. It's got 20 grams of protein. It's gonna be a little kind of like sweet dessert for breakfast. It's gonna be so yummy. Plus I have some more other little healthy recipes I'm gonna be sharing throughout the day, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, let's go ahead and make breakfast. So this is everything we are going to need. You need some egg whites, tapioca flour or arrowroot, cacao, and a touch of vanilla. We're gonna add this into a bowl, whip it to stiff peaks, and then put it in the oven. And once you whip it enough, it'll have like soft peaks like this. So this is the finished cloud bread. You guys can see like it comes out easily from the oven. I'm gonna top it with some almond butter, chopped pecans, and some raspberries. So this is the cloud bread pizza. As you can see, you can rip off a slice. It's chocolatey, it's got nut butter, some crunch, and some fruit. Hello, it is 12:30. Oh, that was later. It is 12:30. I just finished an energy healing, which if you guys don't know, I do both 7D energy healings and Akashic readings. I actually also am now gonna be teaching you guys how to read your own Akashic records. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, I will leave the link for learning it yourself, getting one done yourself, like an Akashic reading, I'll do it for you, or getting a 7D energy healing. I love them. They are so powerful because if, you know, we are also energetic beings as much as we are physical ones. So it's crazy the stuff that come through. But let's go ahead and make lunch. I'm going to make, I don't think I did this in my last what I ate in a day, a hodgepodge salad, but this is honestly like a realistic, the lunch normally that I make is either leftovers or it is a salad with whatever protein I have. So I have some leftover tilapia from last night, not enough for a full meal. So I'm gonna add in some smoked salmon. We got veggies like cucumber, tomato, spinach, some pickled onions, tahini drizzle, nuts for like, ooh, no, I'm gonna put on some salad. You'll see, let's get into it. Alrighty, we have these mini tomatoes, spinach, pickled onions, some smoked salmon. My mom gave me this. I was at her house yesterday for Thanksgiving. This is like really fancy smoked salmon. So she gave me some. And then these are my favorite cucumbers. I prefer these cucumbers to like the normal long ones. Some leftover tilapia. I think I wanna put on something crunchy, tahini. Let's build a yummy big bowl. So this is my salad. We have the blackened tilapia, spinach, avocado, tomatoes, pickled onions, cucumber, little smoked salmon, and then I put on some pistachios. I'm gonna drizzle this on the top. I adore this stuff. It is squeezable tahini. Makes life so easy because you just like shake it up. We're gonna squirt it on top. It's so good. So I'm just about to prep dinner. I'm making like a zucchini roll-ups and like a tomato meat sauce. Normally I don't eat this early, but I have a call in half an hour, so I'm going to make it, have a little early dinner, and then have my last call, and then probably have a little something afterwards. This is like a new-ish recipe for me. It's kind of like lasagna, but a bit different if you guys have made my zucchini lasagna, but it's easy to do, so we're gonna go ahead and make it. So I'm just making a matcha before my next client. This is my favorite matcha brand. It's from Apoto. We got some collagen and some, I like to make my own almond milk using an almond cow, and I'll leave that down below. It's really easy. You make milk in like 60 seconds. We're gonna use my frother. I'm gonna pour it over ice. I feel like something cold. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So this is everything that's going to go into the cashew ricotta. I have got some soaked cashews, Italian seasoning, lemon, and garlic. Put it in the blender, and then we're gonna get a nice fluffy ricotta. And then when you are done the ricotta, it'll be nice and thick and look like this. And then for everything else, it's really easy. You just need some grass-fed ground beef, some tomato sauce, and a zucchini. I'm gonna cook this up, and while this is cooking, we're gonna assemble our zucchini roll-ups, put it in the oven. Quick, easy. So then once you have your zucchini, all you need to do is put a little ricotta, roll it up, and then we're done. So now it's ready to just go in the oven. I'm gonna pop it in at 400 for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is all melted. So it doesn't look super pretty once you take it out, but these are the zucchini roll-ups. The vegan cheese kind of melted in the oven. It's so good, I can't wait to dig in. So I finished my last call of the day. It was an Akashic reading, which are always so fun. It's 7:30. I want to have a little something because I ate dinner super early. It's just like a weird day of like time eatings for me. Though I know 7:30 isn't like late for a lot of people for dinner, but I don't like to eat dinner that late. Anyway, so I'm gonna have a snack. I made my Organifi Gold, not sponsored, I wish, but I will leave the link with the coupon code down below. But I love this because it's basically rest and relaxation in a mug. It's got therapeutic levels of turmeric and ginger, cacao, reishi, lemon bob, turkey tail, coconut. It's like a hug in a cup. It's so delicious. It's like a warm hot chocolate with like therapeutic ingredients. It really helps you sleep well at night, and it tastes so good. So have that also. This is the Organifi, the Gold that I made. A couple of these grain-free chocolate chip cookies from Hue Kitchen. So there is no added sugar, no cane sugar, no sugar alcohols, no stevia, no gluten, no dairy, no soy, and the grain-free. They're a crunchier cookie as opposed to a soft cookie, but with like the warm drink. It works just as like a little something in the evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. I'm going to leave my last one here on the screen so you can check out lots more healthy recipe inspiration and healthy meal ideas. And of course, everything will be left in the description box. If there's a recipe, if there's a link, etc., I will leave that down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.